that I'll ever come down, cause this feels better to me than anybody reality. I'm floating in the air like I'm weightless, flying on a cocaine spaceship. I'm so high right now, I don't think that I'll ever come down.
Yeah, man. Nice. We're stealing Jackson's bike. He's gonna be so butthurt. Flamboyant.
I don't even know what that means. Oh, fanboyant.
Yeah, that's a fresh tee.
I know, I just got it from the... What's this brand called?
Where the fuck are we going, dude?
T-Foxes, bro.
Yeah. Nice. Just pulled up. My God.
Beautiful.
Beautiful fucking
Beautiful done, guys. I'm done.
Nailed it. Behind the scenes.
So I don't know. It's chill. Like I would.
Dudes are just pissed off. Hey, dudes are driving by here screaming "fuck you" hey, to a house with that car in the front. Like, what can you hate on?
Yeah.
You got it. Tail whip. I mean, I almost said tail whip.
Tail whip?
I almost said tail whip, but I want to see a kickflip.
Bro,
Right here.
that's hard. I need handlebars.
I need handlebars.
How many tries are you thinking? It was.
I'm thinking at least 5. For a kickflip? Wait, you think you could actually...
Loose. I'll get that right now, bro.
Damn, this filming's A1. Steak sauce. Nor.
Send it.
Oh!
Dang.
Bro, this is sketch. This is what they call
Yeah.
quit situation, where everything is up to
Actually,
par.
this is pretty perfect.
Yeah. You're basically hitting a wall. It might push you
It
forward.
looks like if my tire goes in the center right there, it's just gonna go completely stop.
Honestly, I'm all about positivity, and I'm 100% confident he's got this.
Yeah. Easy. Nope. I think it's perfect. Are you scared?
I'm honestly not.
Go
If I threw the helmet on, I think I could do it.
get Jackson's. Let's go!
Right helmet for it.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
The 110 gang is so heavy in California.
Get her.
This isn't even my 110.
Hey, this is a 2020. Just beat this foot.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Who's got your fender for her?
I love the confidence though. Dude, I know.
You got it?
He wants to flip.
I think that's solid, dude.
Just like raking a little bit, or...
Yeah.
Alright, push
Yeah,
the
do you
bike
want
out of
Jake
the
to spot you?
way. Yeah, I'll spot you. I'll like rotate the bike.
We'll all
you
stand
can
on
help
each
do that
side.
in the air.
Yeah.
Just turn
Maybe we
around.
can get everybody doing something. You guys could be doing cartwheels in the back. He could be spotting me.
He could be dragging fender across there.
You'll be my brakes. You could just stand right there. We'll just have a fun.
run
Yeah.
into him, yeah.
I'll just hopefully get the clip, you know?
Yeah. Worry about that one. Actually. He doesn't get the clip.
Yeah, I'm not cameraman.
He's like,
so.
something happens. He's over here like, dude, that was crazy.
Yeah, he's like filming like, holy shit!
Exactly.
I gotta just pull for it.
Let's get it.
You going for it?
Maybe, yeah. I can't say maybe.
I love the confidence.
All right, let's see it.
Alright boys, watch out.
Has he done this?
Yeah, a few times.
Okay, alright, we're good.
Yeah.
I mean, at least he's got a helmet on.
Couple test runs.
Hey, you ever watch Hot Rod?
Love that movie.
That's what I'm talking about.
He's jumping the
Hey,
pool tomorrow.
First takeoff ramp this time. You're good.
Ah, you guys thought. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna do it, I promise. Oh, dude, I got a bitch down. I almost had to get in there and do it.
Don't have to do it.
Thanks, so awesome.
Holy shit. I didn't even think that was gonna work, honestly. Thanks for the moral support, boys.
Yeah, man. That's what we're here for.
We always got your back when it comes to that.
Who's next?
Yeah,
Bro,
missed
you did
it.
it. Flip.
Ride out, bro. Yeah, I gotta ride out. I gotta stick
Come out,
Be about it.
And just the wagon.
Maybe throw like a heel clicker in there. I'm just kidding.
I just walked out here.
It's a little sketchy. But
It's a tiny bit sketchy. This thing is made for like driveway tricks.
Oh,
Hey, everyone, just
easy.
man, my ankle hurts so bad. I pulled it though. I kind of run away. Got a little sketchy, but I'm pumped.
Yo, are you good, bro?
I'm pumped. I'm
Like,
pumped.
ran a wheelie and
Alright.
the arm. How did you do that?
What?
Are you sure you don't want to do it one more time?
You want me to do it again?
I wanted to film a TikTok.
Let's do it. Are we gonna do the renegade?
The renegade.
I need someone to renegade.
You look like an Elsinore kid.
Palm Springs. Doesn't your dad have a fucking body shop in Simi Valley?
Dude! Fucking, is that Bryce?
Yes, son, bro. What up? What up, bro?
You don't fucking burn, bro.
Oh! Yes!
Renegade, renegade.
That one.
Kind of fire.
Yeah, just lay it down there.
Looks like that one.
I can't believe you
Good
did
boy.
that, bro. You're cracked.
Yeah, I've been doing a lot of math lately.
The first one was baller. The second one was dope.
Hey Timmy, how do you think Jackson's gonna feel when he finds out that we stole his bike?
He's gonna be pissed that you
stole his bike.
that you leaned it up against a rock, dude.
I'm kind of scraping up the fender a bit. My bad, dude. Dude, this thing is so sick. Holy shit. No way. That's so fresh. Ace Jacks, fuck you, dude. But that thing's cool too.
That little bitch a diva, fucking leave her. My life is a movie directed by Tarantino. Shawty is a dancer, I'm not talking Billie Jean. Oh, fuck, we know. I swear I hate these hoes. Shawty is a eater.
Later, dudes. See boys.
See boys. You guys kill it.
Brother.
Thanks for meeting up with us.
Yeah,
You guys are rad.
Throwing that flip.
Keep killing it. The flip was a little sketchy, but it's alright.
You landed it
Turned out
though.
good.
Hey, you guys keep killing it.
Later, bro.
Later, dudes. T
Hey,
Foxy.
Hey,
You handsome son of a gun.
You.
Yeah, later, my G.
Yeah. Later. It was nice meeting you, Shane, by the way. That was
George,
so
nice to meet
weird.
you.
That
we
was.
we totally missed
We're gonna
it.
scratch it out.
Hey, just let it go.
Hit some balls. Let's see what you got, dude.
you wanna see this shit?
Yeah, let's see it. That's it. Oh, dinger. Yo, you think Space Jack gonna be mad?
Probably
Like for us taking his 110 enough? What the fuck?
Touch his shit, dude.
Are you kidding?
Yo, don't touch my fucking pit bike.
My bad, dude.
That little bitch a diva, fucking leave her. My life is a movie directed by Tarantino. Shawty is a dancer, I'm not talking Billie Jean. Oh, fuck, we know. I swear I hate these hoes. We know.
I do this all the time.
Speak up.
And I do this all the time. You suck! Shit. Not bad.
Oh, gentle.
I wanted something for an ending clip after the outro.